Welcome, this is Rajiv Darji from Exchange Brokers Private Limited. Today, 17th of October, we start with commodities. Gold is trading around 1680 and today it changes the near-term high of 1695 resistance level. It tested and it is drifted below from the higher level. Right now, it is just near the support level of 1678, 1675, and if sustained trading is seen below 1678, 1675, it is expected to move a downtrend where on lower side 1668 to 1665 can be tested on intraday basis. Whereas further sustained trading below 1665, I'm expecting it to move towards 1650 as a major support on the lower side, and on only a crossover below 1650, a downtrend will continue towards the level of 1620 to 1605 in near to medium term. For the intraday, on higher side 1695 is a very good resistance level, and till the time it is below 1695, a downtrend may continue for the intraday target of 1672 and next target of 1665. Coming to silver. Silver is trading around the level of 32.15 level, and on higher side it is expected to move in a range, whereas on higher side 32.5, 32.8 is on a resistance level, and on lower side support is seen at 31.8, and sustained trading below 31.8 it is expected to move to further lower, where the downtrend may confirm towards the level of 30.8 to $30 on lower side. From past few trading sessions, it has been in a range of $33 resistance and 31 as a support level. A downtrend may confirm below 31 for the target of 30, and further below 30, 29.5 to 29 can also be tested in intraday. Whereas in medium term, I'm expecting $26 to $24 on lower side till the time 33 is holding on closing basis. Coming to copper, which is on a base metal pack, copper is trading around the level of 75.40. On higher side, it tested the intraday high of 76.20, but it is failing to sustain above the higher level of 75.50, and it is trading below 75.50. If sustained trading is seen below 7500, copper is expected to show that its short-term top has been posted, whereas on lower side, sustained trading below the lower level of 7400 and 7440 will indicate that the short-term top is placed and will move towards the level of 7200 to 7000 on lower side. Further below 7000, 66,000 cannot be ruled out. So if till the time it is below 7600, a downtrend may continue. One can maintain a stop loss of 7600 and can continue for its short position for the lower target of 7440 to 7400 for the intraday, and further below 7400, 7200, 7000 can be the near to medium term target. Coming to the other oil factor like crude oil, it is trading around the level of 112, just below 112. For the intraday high, it tested at 113.8. It reverted from the expected resistance level of 114, and it is trading at 111.5. I'm expecting it to continue the downtrend, where short-term top is placed with the intraday high of 113.883, and I'm expecting it to move towards a lower trend line, where immediate support is coming at the level of 107.5, 108, which is a very good support area, and if sustained trading is seen below 107.5, 104 to 102 can also be tested. Intraday, I'm expecting 110.5 as a support level, and further below 110.5, 109.5 to 109 can be tested for the intraday, and I'm expecting it to continue its downtrend, where one can maintain a stop loss of 114 on higher side and can wait for the target of 107.5 immediately, and further below 107.5, 102 to 101 can also be tested. So one can maintain a negative bias on crude oil, whereas below 100, I'm expecting 93 to 94 can be the near-term target. So I am bearish on crude oil for the day from today onwards, because short-term top is expected to be placed today with the higher resistance level of 114. That's from my side. Have a good trading session. Thank you.